It's never too late to improve yourself. Your age does not matter. Your background does not matter. Your school does not matter. If you are willing to practice, you can absolutely become a confident English speaker. Because English is not talent, it is skill, and every skill can be learned. Hello everyone, my name is Arvind and welcome to my channel, The Develop Mind. Today we are going to talk about something that can completely change your life. English speaking skills development. Many people understand English. Many people can even read English very well. But when it comes to speaking, they become nervous. Their hand starts shaking. Their confidence becomes low. And one thought comes into their mind. What if people laugh at me? And honestly, this fear stops thousands of people from growing in their life. But today, I want to tell you one thing very clearly. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. You only need courage. Because every fluent speaker was once a beginner. But today, I want to tell you one thing very clearly. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. You only need courage. Because every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Do you know what the biggest problem is? Most people treat English like a school subject, not like a language. In school, we focused too much on grammar, rules, translations, and exams. But language is not learned through fear. Language is learned through practice. Think about a small child. A child does not learn grammar first. First, the child listens, then speaks broken words, makes mistakes, and slowly becomes fluent. And that is exactly how you should learn English too. Now the question is, how can we improve our English speaking skills? Let me share 5 powerful steps with you. Step 1. Start thinking in English. This is one of the most powerful habits. Start thinking in English. This is one of the most powerful habits. Start thinking in simple English sentences during your daily life. For example, I am feeling tired. I need to drink water. I am going to work. Today is a beautiful day. Simple sentences. Do not try to use difficult vocabulary all the times. Because fluency comes from clarity, not from showing off. Step 2. Speak every day. Even if your English is broken, speak. Speak alone. Speak in front of mirror. Record your voice. Yes, in the beginning it may feel strange, but trust me, this method works like magic. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Confidence only comes through action. Step 3. Listen to English daily. Your speaking depends on your listening. If you listen to English daily, your brain automatically starts understanding sentences pattern. Watch English videos, listen to podcasts, watch interviews. I have given some audios links in the description from my channel if you can listen that as well. And one more important thing, do not only listen. Try to repeat the sentences too. This technique is called shadow practice. It improves pronunciation very fast. Step 4. Stop being afraid of mistakes. This is very important. Most people know English, but they stay silent because they fear mistakes. But listen carefully. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. If you never speak because you fear mistakes, you will never improve. Even fluent speakers make mistakes sometimes. So relax here. Nobody is perfect. The goal is communication, not perfection. Step 5. Be consistent. Many people practice English for 1 or 2 days or a week, then quit. This is the reason they never improve. If you really want fluency, practice every single day. Even 15 minutes daily can change your speaking skills. Within a few months, small daily effort create big result. Sometimes people lose opportunities because they cannot speak confidently in English. A job interview, a presentation, a conversation with client, and deep inside they feel sad. They think, "Gosh, my English was better." But let me tell you something beautiful today. It's never too late to improve yourself. Your age does not matter. Your background does not matter. Your school does not matter. If you are willing to practice, you can absolutely become a confident English speaker. Because English is not talent, it is skill, and every skill can be learned. So friends, from today, make one promise to yourself. I will speak English without fear. Do not wait for perfect English. Start with imperfect English. Because one day your small practice session will become your confidence, and your confidence will change your life. If you learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and please do comment below. Why do you want to improve your English speaking skills? See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.